Good day, everyone. Welcome to News TV, where we bring you the latest stories, insight, and conversations that matter most. Whether it's heartbreaking news, trending topics, or in-depth discussions, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the damage inflicted to Philippines farmland by recent series of storms, pushes consumers' prices higher for the second straight of month. The details from Jervis Manan.
Philippine inflation accelerated for a second straight month in November to 2.5%, primarily due to a rise in food prices. Meat, fish, and vegetables were the primary drivers of inflation last month as prices spiked due to a series of storms that disrupted supply and logistics.
May mga areas tayo na binaha, in particular yung ating Cagayan Valley, Region 2. Malaki yung impact doon sa kanila. So napektuhan yung mga presyo ay yung ating supply ng gulay. Ganun palagi pag may mga baha.
But it's not all bad news, the PSA says. Rice inflation is going down. From 9.6% in October, it dipped to 5.1% last month.
Yung trend niya mula January 2024 hanggang ngayong November pababa na. Of course, may factor ito, base effect. Pero yung retail price, ito yung kinukuha namin, yung unit price per kilo dun sa regular, well-milled at special ay bumababa na rin.
Rice accounts for a large percentage of the consumption basket of many Filipino families. The PSA is expecting rice inflation to further ease in the coming months. The Department of Agriculture says the Rice for All program could further contribute to slower inflation rates. This Thursday, the agency started to sell more affordable rice compared to retail prices.
Mayroon din itong epekto kasi evident naman dito na meron na ring nagsisimula magtinda ng 40 pesos. Yung monitoring namin sa ibang palengke meron na rin na nagpo-40.
The November CPI print brings the year-to-date inflation average to 3.2%, still within government's 2 to 4% full-year target. Economic managers assure Filipinos government is committed to further ease supply pressures and maintain price stability, especially for the Christmas season.
Now that we know the damage that inflicted the Philippines, on the other line, we will now hear the perspective of the vendors into how the high inflation rate affected them. We will now know the experiences of the vendors on this season of hiking prices. Details on Kylie Tibete.
Ano po yung naging epekto ng inflation sa pagtaas ng mga bilihin sa mga mamimili po?
Siyempre, malaking epekto ng inflation kasi araw-araw umiiba yung presyo ng bilihin. Like, kunwari ngayon, ang taas, tapos biglang sobrang tataas pa. So kami, as owner, medyo mataas namin nakukuha. Hindi naman kami yung papatong na lang ng basta-basta na ganun din dapat mataas, di ba? Dapat may konsiderasyon din tayo sa mga namimili. Na parang hindi naman sila nabibigla sa presyo kasi alam naman natin lahat tayo naghihirap, di ba?
Ano po yung mga naging solusyon nyo po sa pagtaas ng presyo?
So kami, yung pinaka naging solution namin doon para magbaba ng presyo, para sa konsiderasyon din ng mga mamimili, mga suki namin. Upang sa ganon, kami ay makalikom kahit na hindi ganon kalaking kita or benta, basta mabalik lang yung puhunan.
Okay po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Miss Kylie. We will be back. Stay tuned to the next exciting news here in News TV.
Filipino Month is time to embrace and celebrate the richness of our culture tradition at the Metro Senior High School. The festivities are full swing with students showcasing their talents through cultural representation, sportsmanship in the intramurals, and creativity in the jingle. Now let's turn our focus to one of the highlights of the celebration, the Sabayang Pagbigkas competition. We're thrilled that we have one of us a contestant from the ABN Strand. Let's hear about their experience and preparation for this much anticipated event.
Hi po, good afternoon. I'm going to interview po about what is your experience when doing the Sabayang Pagbigkas?
Nung practice ko ng Sabayang Pagbigkas, naramdaman ko po at first na excited ako dahil sasali na naman ako sa bagong competition at magiging new achievement na naman ito. At noong una, tingin ko mahirap, nakakapagod, pero at some point ay nakita ko naman siyang worth it. So, tinuloy ko at hindi ko naisipang mag-back out. At nung kanina nung nag-perform kami, naramdaman ko na masaya at kabado dahil ito na yung time na yun at last na talaga ito na pagsasama namin ng mga co-ABM ko. And nung nalaman namin natalo kami, na di ko napigilan na umiyak kasi siguro dahil sa mixed emotions kasi dahil doon na yung stress, pagod, saya, tears of joy. At siguro nalungkot ako kasi nag-expect ako na mananalo yung strand namin which is ABM. Siguro next time di na lang ako mag-expect para di na rin ma-hurt. At masaya rin ako kaya napaluha ako, masaya rin ako para sa strand namin dahil successful at worth it yung sunod-sunod na practice namin. Yun na.
Thank you po.
Another exciting aspect of Filipino Month is the creativity and teamwork displayed by students in decorating their classroom. Each section has poured their heart and effort in showcasing their Filipino love and culture through stunning design.
Now, let's shift gears to the much anticipated intramurals. It's time for students to showcase their athleticism, teamwork, and school spirit through friendly competition, from basketball to volleyball and even fun-relying games. The energy on the field is absolutely electrifying. Let's dive into the highlights and hear how the students are making the most of this exciting event.
Samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums, yeah. So shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check, we're gonna choose Philippines, no one other. The world keeps stopping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of DDC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapuno ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kapuno ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
And that wraps up our coverage for today. From the economic challenges of inflation to the vibrant celebration and activities in the Mesa Senior High School, it's clear that resilience and unity continue to shine through. Thank you for tuning in. This is Marian Lorraine Rafael, reminding you to stay informed, stay inspired, and stay connected. Until next time, take care and have a great day.